I never had anybody stand by me.
People are so lonely. There are so many people who are just, they move about their day and they just wish somebody would see them.
Yep.
They just wish somebody would acknowledge them. And I'm a person who likes to hug because I know touch is so important.
Me too.
And in this scene, it's just like feeling like Janiyah just has nobody, no family, nobody in her corner. Just somebody saying, I'm there for you goes such a long way. So I get emotional when I watch this scene of Janiyah and Nicole coming together because they both need something from each other. And I'm just about female friendships. That's very important to me. So.
Yeah, me too. We're just nurturers in general.
Yeah.
I don't know, whenever I go in the room and it's not many of us in the room, I look for one of us.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Your neck be moving.
And it's not that I don't feel safe, but it's just that I just need someone that understands what it is to be a Black woman, you know, in the room where it's not many of us. And naturally, we gravitate towards each other.
We do.
Because of the shared experience.
We have our own language.
Oh, we absolutely do.
It's hard to explain except to a Black woman.
Right.